we keep clawing back the accountability and we don't stand up and we don't say right is right, wrong is wrong, and if you do wrong, there are consequences for those actions, where do we go as a society?
Just weeks after a new Missouri law peeled back certain consequences linked to traffic violations, law enforcement is sounding the alarm. Tonight, the police chief of Missouri's fifth largest city is questioning the bill's sponsor. Thanks for joining us. I'm Bria Leff.
And I'm John Holt. The concern is regarding the recourse municipalities have when enforcing traffic tickets. Fox 4's Malik Jackson joins us live from Midtown overlooking I-35 near downtown. And Malik, while it's still a bit early to know the new law's impact, it has both sides talking literally to each other.
That it does, John and Bria. The police chief in Independence, Adam Dustman, calls the bill, quote, nonsensical, while the sponsor of the bill, State Senator Tony Luetkemeyer, believes that this is the balance, the right balance between civil and criminal liability. The bottom line is that this is the law, but police departments here in the state of Missouri believe it makes their job harder. For most of us, when we see those lights flashing behind us, no doubt there is some level of fear. What have I done? But that may be changing soon in light of a public safety bill that says, quote, this act provides that no court shall issue a warrant for arrest for a person's failure to respond, pay the fine assessed, or appear in court with respect to a traffic violation issued for an infraction.
Any mechanism that reduces the accountability for behavior, in this case violations of the traffic law, is not going to dissuade people from violating the law. If anything, it's going to incentivize them to continue to violate the law.
The sponsor of this bill, Republican State Senator Tony Luetkemeyer, however, disagrees, saying the idea is that people should no longer go to jail for low-level crimes. But Independence Police Chief Adam Dustman has his thoughts as well.
My concern is that these are people that shouldn't be on the street. If we are continuing to reduce the accountability of these offenders who have shown a propensity to violate the law, are we really keeping our streets safe?
What I would say in response to that is, municipal police departments, of course, are able to, send cases that they can't handle in municipal court to county prosecutors.
They're overloaded just like we're overloaded. So to add more to their plate or to assume that more can be added to their plate is fantasy, I think, in practice.
Now, there has been a push nationally to decriminalize traffic violations. There was a study done by the Fine and Services Justice Center that kind of talks about this. That study, called The Drive to Jail, speaks about what we're kind of seeing here in the state of Missouri. John?
Well, Malik, we know clearly how the Independence Police Department feels about this. Have you heard from the Kansas City Police Department?
Yeah, we actually reached out to them late last night and early this morning. They got back to us early this afternoon, and that statement now is on your screen. They say that we have and will continue to enforce traffic laws across our city. Careless driving, speeding, seatbelt usage has led to far too many traffic fatalities in this city. Those will remain priorities for traffic enforcement. But again, Dustman's concern here is that the recourse now that will exist for municipal courts is just not enough. Putting liens is just not enough to address the problem that is so crucial to all of us, and that's safety on our roadways. John?
Malik Jackson, live in Midtown tonight. Malik, thanks.